Hi, this is Steve. Welcome to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. This is the American Cars collection. This is pack 5 that I received in the mail, cars 15 through 18. Join me, will you? And welcome back. These are cars 15 through 18, and this is from the Diecast Collectables American Cars collection. Now, I've been receiving 4 cars per pack, and these are truly fantastic, and they're 1/43rd scale. So if you haven't done so already, check out Diecast Collectables today. I put a direct link and promo code American Cars down below. Please go to the direct link that I provide for you. That way Diecast knows that you watched my video. It helps them out and it helps me out. So for car number 15, we received the El Camino 1970, and that's beautiful there. And car number 16 is the Pontiac Tempest Le Mans GTO convertible 1965, and that looks great there. And car number 17 is the Dodge Coronet Super Bee 1970, and then car number 18 is the Plymouth Barracuda Sports Fastback Formula S 1968. Let's look at the magazines and then we'll look at the cars. And the first magazine is number 15, the Chevrolet El Camino. Now this was Chevrolet's answer to the Ford Ranchero. And it's not the first time that a sedan car with a pickup bed was added to cars, but this was definitely a great answer for Chevrolet to that Ford El Camino, or the Ranchero. So the magazines are broken up into a brief history about how the El Camino came about, and that's really cool there too. And then it's a great article. I read the whole thing there. And then we get a technical sheet about the car, and then something about Route 66. In this case, they talk about some of the European cars in Australia, and the cartoon series cars. And then they get into the very last page. They usually talk about what happened in history during that year in 1970. So that's how the magazines are broken down, approximately 13 to 14 pages. Very thin, very easy to read, and believe me, Diecast did a lot of research on these magazines to give you great information about American cars and about all the cars that you're going to be getting in your collection. So it's fantastic there. The next one is the Pontiac Tempest GTO. Now I love the GTO, and this is a fantastic car. Just to show you what they show the different version of the GTO there, the hard top, but in this one we get the convertible, so that's fantastic there. Next is the Dodge Coronet Super Bee, and once again I love the lime green that Dodge put on their cars. But look at the red one they show here. What's iconic about the Super Bee Coronet are these dual scoops on the hood, so that's very cool there. And lastly, the Plymouth Barracuda 1968. A friend of mine had a 1969 Barracuda back in high school, and I thought it was an odd car. It was really cool though, because it had that really large back window, and this is a different version of that, the Cuda. It's really cool. But his car had a straight 6 in it, and the shifter was on the column. It's the first time I've ever been in a car where you shifted on the column. It wasn't automatic, it was you shifted up there. So that car had a lot of torque. It was really cool. Alright, let's go ahead and bring over the cars here first. And this is the Chevrolet El Camino. Let's get a closer look. And very cool there. It's showing the fall, which is happening right now around us. Up in the mountains, our trees are changing their colors and such. But in this case, this car is fantastic. It's black with white stripes. And back in 1970, if you were to buy this car, it would have cost you $4,300. So that's very cool there. Now, you probably noticed that they tape these cases shut, and if that bothers you, at the end of this video I'll show you how to get rid of the tape residue and to get rid of the tape. So let me open this up and get a closer look here. Beautiful. The markings are all in silver. This is the El Camino SS, and the grill and all that looks fantastic there. The vinyl top, different color. It's flat. It's not glossy. Of course, you have the white stripes. Black interior. The silver trim around the glass, and of course the truck bed. That's fantastic there. And looks like dual exhaust in the back. Coming out the sides. Got one on this side. All the markings are there. The SS markings, the backup lights, tail lights, mirrors. Fantastic. Fantastic car. I love the wheels on it. The 5-spoked wheels look like the Kragers. Nice. So let me bring over the next car. And this would be the Pontiac Tempest Le Mans GTO convertible. Now this would be considered a muscle car back in the day, 1965, because it falls into the category of a mid-sized big engine car, and this is fantastic. I love the convertible top. It has a metallic dark blue, and it looks like we see something. I can't tell the street scene in the background. Looks like somewhere back east, maybe New England or somewhere. But this car back in 1965 would have cost you $3,080. So we'll take this out and get a closer look and see if I can show you what that blue metallic looks like. And there it looks good. Love the markings on it. GTO markings on the back. Look at the chrome tips exhaust in the back there. The soft vinyl top, very nicely represented. White interior, wiper blades, the double headlights on top of each other in the front there, black wall tires, and being a dual exhaust, it has the double tips on the other side, and very nice. It's impressive. Very impressive. And of course the white interior looks very nice there too. So I hope you can see that the very dark navy blue metallic that shows up on this. You can see it there probably really good. So this is very nice, very impressive. I love the hood scoop too that's on it. Next is the Dodge Coronet Super Bee 1970, and I love that lime green. And it had this the black striping, double scoops on the hood, and in 1970, $3,100. I don't think you can find one at that price today. I'm sure these are going well over $100,000 on the auction block. Let's get a closer look. And it has a black interior. It has the black vinyl top, and it does have a little texture to it. The mirrors, antenna, like I said, the double scoops on the hood look fantastic, and of course that unique grille feature on the front. Black wall tires, just the regular steel rims on this, and of course the Super Bee emblem on the back. That's nice. Once again, dual exhaust tips coming out the bottom. They're right there in the middle there, kind of. Love the taillights on this. So this is very impressive too. Very nice. These look very nice on my shelf with the rest of the cars. One more. Let's look at the last one. This is car number 18 in the collection, and this is the Plymouth Barracuda Sport Fastback Formula S 1968. So once again, a muscle car. I love the color here, bright red, black stripes. And this car in 1968 would have cost you $2,890. So let's look at this a little closer. And the cameras, I'll fix the color a little bit so it looks more like the color to my eyes, but the cameras do not show that red very well here. But this is beautiful. Of course, the Barracuda front end on this. Once again, mid-size, big engine car, considered a muscle car there, right? Black wall tires, chrome rims, and I love the taillights too. Dual exhaust, they're just black exhaust pipes coming out the bottom. Kind of hard to see there. You might be able to see it in that view there. But very impressive. Black interior, tan steering wheel. You can kind of see that. So that's very nice. All right, I'll bring over all the cars and we'll wrap this up. I'll be right back. You probably noticed during my reviews that Diagostini uses some clear cellophane tape to tape the cases shut, and it's a necessary evil so that way the models arrive safely to us at our front door. Well, we can remove that tape and the residue very easily. I'll show you. Go ahead and remove the clear film from the tape first. And I should be able to just pull it up. In this case, most of the film came off. But if it does not, then you can see there's some stickiness to it. Now what I'm going to use is some Goo Gone to remove that clear sticky film. And this will allow the film to disappear and does not scratch or mar the plastic. There's no harmful chemicals involved here. And just need to dry it off with a soft paper towel. And that's good there. Remove the tape here from underneath. A little bit there. And that will remove the film. So there you have it. Tape residue removed. And there you have it. This was Pack 5 of the Diagostini Collectibles American Cars Collection, cars number 15 through 18. These are fantastic cars, 1/43rd scale, a lot larger than the 1/64th that you see out there in the store shelves at your big box stores. But this is a fantastic collection and very impressive. So if you haven't done so already, head over to Diagostini Collectibles and check out everything that they have there. They have a lot going on. They have a lot of cars, large scale cars that you can build. I am building the GT40 and the Volkswagen Samba T1 bus. So if you don't know that already, check out my playlists that will be following this video. But these are fantastic. I highly recommend them. Remember, I put a direct link and a promo code, American Cars, down below. Go to that link. It lets Diecast know that you watched my videos. It helps them out and it helps you out. So I would just recommend starting your collection today. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.